what can you say about Nining B?
Yeah,
Okay, sir, you're from Korea. I just asked you some question. Can I ask you what you can say about the popularity of Nining B? Because many people know her. What can you say about her achievement? Nining B.
what
Achievement.
can I say?
Oh, what can you say about the achievement of Nining B?
Nining B.
Yes. Okay.
Name.
Yes.
Her name is Nining B.
About her sandwich.
Yeah.
What can you say about Nining B?
Yeah, I didn't try yet, but I'm waiting for the hot dog. So I'm gonna try the hot dog. And after I'm gonna post the video.
Meaning to say just want to support the small vendors in the Philippines.
Have you tried the hot dog?
Okay, just
Have you tried the hot dog?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, you already tried.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.